Okay, hi everyone. This is our plumbing station that we're going to be using for the grade 7 day. So at this entire form here, we'll have 4 kids, probably 2 working on each side. So in theory, we would have the kids plumbing as far as they can around the side. You can see this one's already done. And then at the back here, we have a T-joint that we'll make sure does not get cut off. This is what each side can plumb each side into. So this is the side that they would be working on. So this is the tools that would be laid out for each pair on the side. And they would be able to plumb as far as they can. So in theory, one kid would do one joint here, the next kid would move on and do the next one until they got to the end. So they could each take a turn. So they would be cutting their PEX piping to the length that they need. This first one would have to come through from both sides, obviously. So they would cut it using their cutters. So we've got all the extras stacked on top, so if they need more, they would just grab some more there. You have to put your rings on first. So they would put their ring on, then they would take their coupling. You would just need the straight ones for these middle pieces because we're just plumbing around to the side. You'll twist it in. We've got some coughing going on there. You'll twist it in as far as you can. That might be easier before they put it in there. Once it's twisted in, you'd make sure that the ring is over top of where the coupling is. Then you would take your crimp tool. You could even have a friend help hold that for them if needed. And they're just gonna crimp it till it's tight. And so that side would be done. Then you'll take your second ring, put it on the other side. Fit the coupling into the PEX pipe and repeat the process until this side is together. So you would put it in tight, again, take your crimp tool and crimp that tight, and then they can continue all the way around. When they're finished, we're gonna have them take it apart because we've got the next group coming in. So in 15 minutes, they would do a couple of those and take this apart.